Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mainz. Also from me. I am delighted indeed to be here with you today. At Daimler Trucks and Buses, we have many product premieres worldwide over the course of a year, so I can't be here for every single one, but of course I try to be there for the most important ones, and today is a very important one indeed. With today's world premiere, we are shaping the future of local public transport, and this is of great significance to our customers, to us, of course, and to society as a whole. I'm really very proud of our team, because today we're once again proving what we can achieve at Daimler by working together as one strong unit. At Daimler Trucks and Buses, we work in a global network in which all business units learn from each other. Trucks from buses, buses from trucks around the world. And this is a decisive competitive edge for us at Daimler. This holds for the new technologies, electric mobility, networking, automation. But today, electric mobility takes center stage. I'd like to concentrate on how we address this technology and use it strategically for our trucks and buses. All other specific bus news will then be presented to you by my colleagues Till Oberwörter and Gustav Tuschen. My part is strategy. So my first message is this: we are not putting a question mark behind electric mobility for trucks and buses. We are putting a clear, bold exclamation mark. As you all know, electric mobility is not just enjoying great publicity, we are also giving this technology a high priority when it comes to our engineering. Because the advantages are quite obvious. Electric vehicles are quiet and locally emission-free, which means that we can noticeably improve the quality of life in our cities with electric trucks and buses. Both the public and politicians are therefore very interested in this technology, and our customers are also showing great interest. They want to gain experience as soon as possible with this new drive in their everyday operation. Because this conversion is also a major challenge on the customer side. At Daimler Trucks and Buses, we're therefore working very consistently on electrifying our trucks and buses, and we have been doing so for many years. As early as in 2010, at a time when hardly anybody talked about battery electric commercial vehicles, we presented a first prototype of our light Fuso e-Canter truck at the IAA. So very early on, we had an idea, a first concept. Together with our customers, we've since built up a lot of valuable knowledge and moved forward step by step. Because we have a common goal. We don't want quick headlines at Daimler. We don't want fair weather solutions. We want products that work reliably under all conditions, whatever the outside temperature, traffic density, or topography. Exactly what is required of our products in daily use over many years, and what we are well known for. Reliability is our claim for all our vehicles, and particularly with city buses and in public transport, reliability is particularly important. Because this is about transporting people safely and on time. Children should be just as carefree on their way to school as their parents are on the way to work, or journalists on the way to an appointment. So we have a big responsibility here, and we take that responsibility very seriously. We are therefore rapidly advancing the field of electric mobility, never sacrificing the quality to speed. Despite the current hype about electric mobility, mobility. We are therefore deliberately not entering all market segments yet. Long haul remains a challenge in our view. Despite major technical advances, there are still many unanswered questions here, not only in terms of battery performance, but also in terms of costs and longevity with very high mileages. We are convinced, however, that electric trucks and buses will first be used in urban areas. Here we have the broadest of offerings in the industry, with the quality our customers expect from us. At Daimler Trucks and Buses, we have 6 fully electric vehicles in our portfolio that are either already on the road or soon will be. Last year, we started series production of our light Fuso e-Canter, and the vehicles are already in daily use throughout the triad, in the US, Europe, and Japan, that is. In innovation fleet of our up to 25 tons heavy Mercedes-Benz e-Actros will be put into customer use in Europe in the coming months, and with our medium heavy Freightliner EM2 and our up to 36-ton heavy Freightliner e-Cascadia, we will deliver an innovation fleet to our customers in the US before the end of this year. Concerning our buses, next year we will produce our electric school bus Julie in a limited series in the US. And we've come particularly far with our Mercedes-Benz eCitaro. And we are here because of that today. With our electric city bus, we will go into full-scale production this year. Our eCitaro is quite rightly one of the stars of today. You will hear more about it from my colleagues in a moment. It will become clear that we do not leave our customers alone when it comes to electric mobility. We support them in all questions concerning the use of electric buses, be it for charging the battery, maintenance, or possible route profile. Here we help our customers with our in-house consultation service, e-mobility consulting. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it should be clear, when it comes to electric trucks and buses, we have long since left the realm of talk, press releases and prototypes. We are offering our customers specific products and solutions, and we will continue to expand our offerings, because our goal is quite clear. As the world's leading manufacturer of conventional trucks and buses, we also want and will be the world's leading manufacturer of electric trucks and buses. We do not see electric mobility as a threat. We see it as an opportunity and a challenge to further expand our leading market position. And we are convinced that we have the best prerequisites to deliver the best solutions in the competition, because we have the necessary financial strength, we have the long-standing trust of our customers, and we have global technology competence that incorporates the experience of a wide variety of products and markets. We also have a special advantage in that we cooperate very successfully within our group. We benefit greatly from the close cooperation with our colleagues in passenger cars, and of course from the close exchange between trucks and buses in particular. We are now pooling our global expertise in electric trucks and buses from an organizational point of view in our new e-mobility group. We use the best ideas from a region or division systematically for all regions and all divisions. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. That gives us advantages in terms of speed, cost and know-how. Ladies and gentlemen, let me conclude by saying that we are bringing electric mobility to our trucks and buses with a clear strategy. We are convinced that it's not the fastest solutions that will win, but the best ones. And we want to deliver those best solutions to our customers, because we want to make our customers more successful. That is what drives us in everything we do. And the best proof of this is our Mercedes-Benz eCitaro, which we are presenting to you today as the world premiere. And with this, I'll hand you over to my colleague Till Oberwörder. Thank you very much.